Hey guys, Justin here with Tech Revolution, back with you in another amazing Bronco product. This is our Bronco front skid plate. You guys know with the Bronco being IFS, there's a lot going on in the center of this thing. You'd think it kind of hangs low and causes off-road problems. It does not, especially with this Blaze skid plate. This works great with our Blaze front bumper. So let's take a look at this thing, what you get when you pull it out of the box. Obviously, you see this massive piece of hand-welded beef, right? That's the whole point of a skid plate. We're gonna bash this into things, and we wanna know and feel confident that we can do that coming up over rocks and up over ledges and not cause damage to the vehicle or the skid plate. That's its job. We have this great cover here, obviously kind of advertising our brand, but you can get this in a winch version where this cover is removed and your winch is actually tucked right in here. Integrated light mounts, you know, again, all countersunk bolts. This is stuff that doesn't catch and drag on the trail. Heavy duty hardware, all sourced for you. You're not having to reuse factory stuff. All of our bracketry, everything you need to install this is included within the kit for this. So if you're interested in seeing this, you know, put on a vehicle, check out that link below. You can see it put on this Bronco right here. If you think you might want one for your Bronco, head on over to crawltechrevolution.com, take a peek at what we've got over there for Bronco, and hey, maybe you own a Jeep, you want to check that out too. As always, check us out on Facebook and Instagram, Crawl Tech Revolution.